Hey, Sam Baer with Class Winners Collector Vehicles. We're back in the workshop again with a surprise 70th birthday gift, 1968 AMC American Motors Javelin. Now, when we went out with the gift givers to go buy this car, one of the things I noticed was that the windows were not in alignment. So a lot of times what happens, especially with these pillarless hardtop coupes, someone replaces the window regulator or they take things out to repaint the vehicle and restore it. They put everything back in, they raise the window and they go and they slam the door and then this breaks. Because right now, not only is this almost to the top here and this way down, but the glass is tilted in. So if we slam this door with the window up, it would definitely shatter. Then we'd be in a world of hurt. So we need to realign the window regulator. And it's fiddly work, but there is a method to the madness. And we're about to show you how to do it without going insane. Wait, hey, don't forget, subscribe. Click that little icon down there, the blue one. That allows you to know when we're doing more workshop videos, when we're taking these cars out and doing complete, like 10, 15-minute detailed road tests, seat of the pants videos, tell you exactly what it feels like behind the wheel of these really awesome and crazy and unique and rare collector vehicles. So click that down there, that one, yeah. Okay, what do we need to properly adjust the window regulator so that the glass won't shatter when we close it? Well, it's just two things. One, we're gonna need a socket. And then the other thing is this great page from the 1968 Javelin service manual. And this actually tells us not only where all the adjustment points are, but it's one of the best written manual pages I have ever seen on the subject, because it says for every specific point which adjustment to make to get the desired result. So in this case, we really want to move 5, this point right here. We want that to go down and 3 to go up. So if we want 5 down and 3 up, we need to move C up. So C's down here. Then we also need to move, the glass 5 and 3 out. So if we want 3 and 5 out at the top, this is where it tells us to do. We got to move B in and F in. So B and F are here and here. So let's do that. Now, one of the things I should point out is oftentimes people will try to loosen and then struggle to get one point to be in or out or up and down. And if all the other points are fixed in place tightly, all you're going to wind up doing is twist the regulator. So one of the things I recommend is get the whole thing loose to the point where it will move freely. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to move the glass up, move the belt line out, or move the belt line in, and then that's gonna, with the other points loose, it's gonna tilt the glass in the exact place we want. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll come back and we'll see the result. So let's get started. This adjustment point here actually requires a wrench to get at it because it's way back here. So we're gonna loosen these with a ratcheting wrench. If you don't own a set of ratcheting wrenches, get a set of ratcheting wrenches. They're lifesavers. Okay, so that's all the way down. A, F, B, F, loosen H. So you're going to spend a lot of time opening and closing the door just to make sure that you're getting there. And as I can see now, we're still way too far in. So we've got to push the center line out here more. So after hours and hours of loosening and moving and tightening and loosening and adjusting and tightening and moving it again, we finally have the window in alignment. So it's not going to shatter when we shut the door. And it looks like it's going to seal pretty well. Now there still is some play in the regulator. So it wants to kind of tilt down in front, but if the owner wants to put in a new regulator later on, that's fine. It'll definitely help keep it in alignment. So for all of us at Class Winners Collector Vehicles, I'm Car Guy in Chief Sam Barrow, reminding you that life's too short for ordinary cars, especially one in which if you shut the door hard, you're going to shatter the glass into your lap.